Conflict is an inevitable part of life that can arise in various aspects of our existence, including personal relationships, work environments, and communities. Although conflict can be challenging, it presents an opportunity for growth and understanding. Emotional intelligence, EQ, plays a crucial role in conflict resolution, as it empowers individuals to comprehend and manage their emotions and those of others. With a high level of EQ, we can effectively communicate, build relationships, and resolve conflicts constructively. To enhance conflict resolution using emotional intelligence, consider these techniques. 1. Self-awareness of emotions. Acknowledge your own emotions as the initial step in resolving conflicts. Understand what you are feeling and why, enabling you to manage your emotions in a constructive manner. 2. Active listening. It is essential to attentively listen to the other person's perspective, even if you disagree with it. Seek to understand their feelings and motivations to establish a connection and facilitate conflict resolution. 3. Practicing empathy. Empathy involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes to comprehend their emotions and viewpoint. Empathy fosters fair conflict resolution that considers everyone's interests. 4. Identifying common ground. Despite disagreements, there are likely shared values or goals between conflicting parties. Finding common ground helps build trust and rapport, making conflict resolution more achievable. 5. Willingness to compromise. In most cases, resolving conflicts requires mutual compromise. Both parties need to be open to making concessions to reach a solution that satisfies everyone involved. 6. Respectful communication. Even during intense emotions, maintaining respect for the other person is crucial. Avoid personal attacks and name-calling while actively listening without interruptions. Conflict resolution is a skill that improves with practice and time. Integrating emotional intelligence into the process empowers you to handle conflicts constructively, leading to stronger relationships, a better work environment, and a more fulfilling life. Here are additional tips for using emotional intelligence in conflict resolution. 1. Take a step back. When overwhelmed by emotions, take a few minutes to calm down before attempting to resolve the conflict. A composed mindset facilitates clearer thinking and better decision-making. 2. Use I statements. When communicating with the other person, express your feelings and needs using I statements. This approach avoids blaming others and encourages receptiveness to your concerns. 3. Focus on the future. Instead of dwelling on the past, direct your attention toward finding a future-oriented solution that benefits both parties. This forward-looking perspective helps build a stronger relationship with the other person. By implementing these tips and leveraging emotional intelligence, you can effectively manage and resolve conflicts. In turn, you will foster stronger relationships, cultivate a positive work environment, and lead a more gratifying life. Conflict may remain a part of life, but its resolution becomes a means for growth and positive change through emotional intelligence. Thank you for joining us today to explore the power of emotional intelligence in conflict resolution. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and practical techniques that can transform the way we approach conflicts in our lives. As we strive to foster better relationships and create a more harmonious world, we encourage each and every one of you to embrace emotional intelligence in your daily interactions. Remember, conflict need not be destructive. Instead, it can serve as a stepping stone for growth and understanding. If you found this content valuable and want to continue learning with us, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest videos and receive more empowering content on various topics, including communication skills, personal development, and emotional intelligence. Together, we can build a community of emotionally intelligent individuals, united in resolving conflicts with empathy, understanding, and respect. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Thank you once again for being a part of our mission to spread the power of emotional intelligence. Remember, every step we take towards emotional intelligence is a step towards building a brighter, more compassionate world. Subscribe now, and let's make a positive difference, one conflict at a time. Thank you, and see you in the next video.